smart ring do not need charging, so that can let you totally get rid of light issues and data lines. What's more, Ring has IP68 class waterproof performance. With higher strength, fixed color, and a non-allergic, inlaid with magnet, germanium, and fur energy stone on the inside of the ring, so it can effectively improve human beings' energy, stamina, physical strength, and also can block electromagnetic waves. The side letters M1 ID are equipped with dual-core MCU NXP chipset, which could imitate and copy various kinds of ID smart card chip, such as house door, building door, elevator card, parking card, attendance, shopping cards, transportation cards, and other inducive cards. The side letters NFC is equipped with high-speed intelligent NFC chip with 106 kilobytes per second wireless data transmission rate, 100,000 write cycles durability, so that could guarantee all of the features efficient and stable operation. For example, private note save all kinds of private information to the smart ring, like schedule, accounts, memo, etc., and set the ring touch action to be the only way of view or edit. Phone lock. Set screen lock and app lock randomly, and let Ring become the only key to your privacy, safe and fast. Quick start. This ring could quick start a variety of multifunction SIM modes. Release your hands with high efficiency. Sharing information, business card, internet link, message and pictures could be shared when your Ring touch phone of others, fast and full of personality.